place. Put the people that is in place, the people that you trust, the people that you can run your business. To Imparables. My name is Jose Miguel Taramona. I'm director of Ludus Mastery, and today we're going to have a topic that will actually maybe change the way that you think about streams of income and how to create new streams of income, so side businesses while you're running your business. So it's a really interesting topic, a lot of challenging for many people, and you will hear today things that you might not want to hear. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, to ring that bell up to see our notification, and follow us YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and all our podcast platforms like podcast, Spotify, and all the other podcast platforms. Let's start. The question comes, right? Should we take our time to create a side hustle or a side income while we are running a business? And my immediate answer, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are you're just starting a business, if you are not sure where you want to be, you want to go, if you don't have your business running by itself, I will say no. And that sounds really controversial maybe with some of you that will say, well, what about the multiple flows of income, right? And we'll develop in that. I think we have actually a video that I might leave the description up here of different streams of income. But I mean, like, I don't think if your business is not running by itself, we should have another business, because if for one general principle, I believe whatever energy, whatever your attention goes, your energy flows, right? Whatever your attention goes, your focus goes, your energy flows. So if you have something that you are starting to creating and it's not working, it's because it doesn't have the right attention possible or the means of how to do it. So if you really are passionate, you really want a business to grow, you have to be 100% in it. You cannot be, and then because it won't work by nature. 2 things at the same time, you won't do this, or 3 things at the same time, it won't happen. If you do it, and something that I really believe, if you do it, your first business, you want a second income, a second flow of income or stream of income. Your second income your first income have to be completely dependable of itself, right? You have to have the system and the basis in place to actually, if you are not there or 80% in there, it works. Because most likely when you start, and we have this amazing belief that you can have 20,000 businesses if you know how to administrate, right? You certainly. Who does that? Of course, Warren Buffett. Who does that? Probably Tony Robbins. Who does that? Like they are multimillionaires. They are multi-billionaires. Are you multi-millionaire, billionaire? Go ahead and do it. Because most likely you have all the systems in place. Actually, all the people, all the leadership in place to be able to actually make your business run really smooth. But I mean, if you don't, you're just starting, man. The only thing you're doing is taking energy from one business to go to the other one. Or really to analyze if you really like your business. Because another thing is maybe you're boring about your business, you don't find its purpose, you don't find the right mission for you, and you're trying to do something else to get out of the other business. That, I mean, I guess that's acceptable. But think about it that one of the businesses is going to have to, die or go really, really, really low in income. Like I have talked this before, business is not a medium point in business. There is not a medium stage. Or you make money or you don't make money. It's that simple. Or your business is successful or it's not successful. So when you try to have different streams of income, you are being busy more than being productive. I'm sure if you put the same amount of energy and time to your one business to change, evolve, and make it better, it will create you more and more income. But put the basis. If you want to do this, like, put the basis in place. Put the people that is in place, the people that you trust, the people that you can run your business. If you're a single entrepreneur, you are a photographer, you are in the media business, you are the consulting marketing business, and you are in all these businesses that give services, you have to duplicate yourself. How? Because you're going to be the key person risk. What does that mean? So if you are not there, the business falls apart. So my question for you is out there, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're an immigrant entrepreneur like me, that we come with that idea that being a business is being the boss, having the best car and having the vacation, whatever you want. Let me ask you this question. Are you ready to start another source of income? Are you the key person risk on your business? If you are, in my opinion, and it's a personal opinion, you're not in place to be running another business or trying to get a side hustle. Now, don't take me wrong. There's many people that have a business and in their free time, do Uber or Lyft or, work in other things. My question for you is, why don't you use that time to grow your business even more? Why is not a motivation there? Why are you don't want to do it? Why don't you want to actually keep going? And don't take me wrong, I have more than one business. And I believe in many sense in one or two of my business, I'm not a key person risk. I might be the one that started, right? I'm not the put the foundation, the put the values, the one that put the mission, the vision, right? And then get really good, important people to actually work with me. Not important, but they have the same values with me to actually follow the same path that we want to go. But it did in my thing, it didn't take me 1, 2, or 3 years. It took a long time to make mistakes and also to learn from them and to put the right people in the right places. So I hope this really did really work for you and resonate for you. Try it. If the problem is that you don't have motivation for your other business and you don't want to make it grow, my question for you is why you don't want to make it grow. Why don't you have the motivation or that drive? Maybe that's not the business that you want and you want to start another one to fulfill you more. There is a way when you have all these things in place, and you can put your business under management. That is totally acceptable. You want to run another business because you see a great opportunity, right? You can put your business under management. That means that you can put somebody to manage your business, right? Because that in the end, that's the point of a business, right? Having more time for the things that you really want that is not your business, right? Unless your business is what you love, right? That's different. And make more money, right? Have less time and make more money. Have more time to, you love diving like me, more time to go diving, less time to be physically in your business. If you have a business that is really profitable, but you're not passionate about it, you can put it under management. And then start something that you really like because you already know what's being an entrepreneur is. Right? So you already learned the lessons. But telling you want to do two things at the same time and start two things at the same time is very, one of both will gonna have to fall down. You don't have the systems in place. So option for you, put your business under management and just sell your business. Right? Is your business an ATM or your business is a sellable business? What it is. You have to determine that. We'll talk about that in another podcast. I hope this really like you. And I hope I challenge some of your belief that you have in there. Put the comments below. I'll see you in the next episode of Imparables.